Oh, good morning, guys. You can see I'm down here at the cabin this morning for a little bit until I get cold anyhow. It's currently about 7 degrees out, so it's a little bit chilly. As you see, it's time to get my Grizzly Adams going, or Grizzly Wiley in this case. But this isn't going to be a video on the cabin as so much as the lake house video again. Hope to get something out on this here in the coming week or so, but hope everybody's safe out there and enjoying the upcoming holiday seasons and stuff. So until then, we'll see everybody through the video.
You're doing pretty good though with your plan.
Only because of your expertise,
Oh yeah.
knowing where everything is.
Am I supposed to be trying these to see if they work?
No,
This one's pretty good.
no, you're not supposed to be trying them to see if they work. If they don't work, call the manufacturer. The guy that framed these windows did a pretty good job at keeping it warm.
Keeps all the water out, eh? That keeps all the water out.
What's already out?
Keeps the water out, just stuff around the edges like this.
Curling up. Frank, you have more staples? Or are they in the house? That's The lateral bracings in on both ends with our wind bracing. And then we had to make smaller cripples because 1.5" didn't fit for a stud. So we had to make some smaller cripples for door openings. Got them in today. A lot of stuff got done today. A lot of that punch list type stuff. So got our overhead wrap for hardware on the overhead garage door. Access for the attic. I haven't really had a set of plans on this job since the start, but we're going to put this window in now here after the fact, along with we're waiting on opening size and placement for a window along this wall somewhere. And this is one I'm putting in now. And the opening cut in with header and cripples. A little bit of a change in plans here. They decided to go with a walk-in shower that ended up being deeper, so it wouldn't fit in the small bathroom here. So we're bumping it into what the closet was here, moving the closet over here, and shrinking her walk-in closet a bit. So, just a little sawzall work and a little more wall building, and we'll get her back to square one. Well, now that we got the final kitchen layout, or at least I hope, we had to build our pantry here. And then another little wall there. She doesn't like the side of the refrigerator showing. And then in order to fit the shower stall that they changed from a tub, we had to remove the closet that was sitting right here, extend the shower stall into that closet, and then rebuild this closet here, taking out some from the walk-in closet in there. Anyhow, I think we have it all. We got our chutes up in there. Allow airflow through the vents and up through the ridge vent. Well, morning guys. Seeing how I haven't gotten a video out here in a couple of weeks, figured I'd better show a little update on this place. As you can see, we have a lot of white stuff on the ground now. Not a whole lot, but about an inch and a half or so fell. And I'm getting ready to put some soffit in here. Earlier you see me snap some lines. I've been helping Frank on the inside and with a couple of things, but I don't really feel comfortable about showing them, saying, oh, I'm not an electrician or a plumber. But I was just helping Frank pull some lines and do some other stuff, seeing how it is his place. We did manage to get all the windows and doors in. Then we had to do a little remodeling on the inside to get a shower that they changed out to fit. Originally it was scheduled for a bathtub, but then a shower got installed. So that threw everything off a bit. And then we had to add a couple more little pantry closet and a couple other things on the inside. So it was just stuff that I didn't think was good content to begin with. Looks like we're getting our power in today. Maybe no more generator use, I hope. Okay guys, now that I got all the rings built, I'm just going to slip them on and nail them around them. So then I can get my J channel run. But currently, I don't have my GoPro. I forgot it at home again. So these are the deals I was making. Just use some pocket screws to hold them together so when I nail them on, they don't split with, the seams don't split with the flange.
Yeah, I missed that one.
And just like that, one window trimmed out. This is what happens though when they use a thin trim. This stuff will come in 1 inch thick and then this actually sits flush or just slightly behind.
You have it. No problem.
Let me know how that goes after I get back.
Yeah, well,
Probably don't remember, huh? That sage green one?
I know which one it was. The lime green one?
No, it was sage green.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Lime green.
Do you like this color?
You used to bring them back for me. And there's one side done. I ran out of J channel, so I can't do much more. I got those two windows channeled there, and I need to channel the rest of them. But anyhow, I guess that's going to be enough for the day. Stuff that I wasn't filming just got inspected, and we passed on everything, so that was nice. So I guess what's going to happen next year is I'm going to continue on vinyl siding when I can. I got another little job that I got to do for a couple weeks here coming up, so I got to do that first before I get back up here. But hopefully I will have a cabin video out for everybody within the next few days. So until then, happy Thanksgiving everybody, and take care.